DIY hair growth oil. Encourages new growth, and provides moisturization and revival to dry strands, all while smelling absolutely refreshing. The combination of different carrier oils and a stimulating essential oil blend make this hair growing oil a great asset in your natural hair care routine. Today in this video, I will share hair growth oil, make at home. So let's start my video, without any delay. You will need camphor, castor oil, olive oil. Camphor is the ultimate for reducing dandruff and hair fall. Camphor oil on the other hand is antibacterial and antifungal, and makes the hair soft and boosts hair growth. Camphor has a strong fragrance that helps in killing lice and thoroughly cleanse your hair scalp. It works as a great disinfecting agent for your hair. Many people use castor oil as a natural hair treatment. This is because castor oil has moisturizing properties, which could help lubricate the hair shaft, increasing flexibility and decreasing the chance of breakage. The nutrients and unsaturated fats present in olive oil prevent dryness by locking moisture in the hair shaft. Olive oil soothes the scalp and prevents dryness, which in turn reduces hair breakage and makes hair appear voluminous. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that condition the hair and make them stronger. Add 1 tablespoon of camphor, ½ cup of castor oil, and ½ cup of olive oil. Mix it well, and your oil is ready. Apply this hair oil on your hair, and leave it for night, and wash it off next morning. Use this oil twice in a week, and store it for 6 months.